Elaine Wilson with the Las Vegas Review-Journal. Here's your news update for your Monday morning. Las Vegas sportsbooks suffered major losses after the Eagles beat the Patriots 41-33 in the Super Bowl. William Hill reported a multi-million-dollar loss, CG Technology reported a mid-six-figure loss, and most other sportsbooks also reported losses. Caesars Palace and Westgate reported wins. A mystery bettor won more than $10 million on at least $7.4 million in moneyline bets on Philadelphia. There's a chance Nevada sportsbooks may lose only their third Super Bowl in 28 years. And billionaire casino developer Steve Wynn faced allegations of pressuring a waitress into sex about 30 years ago, allegedly telling his employee he had, quote, never had a grandmother before, and wanted, quote, to see how it feels, according to a court document and interviews with multiple sources. The allegations were the subject of a Review-Journal article that was written in 1998, but the newspaper ordered the report not be published. The story was based on documents that were part of a federal lawsuit brought by 11 Mirage waitresses who claimed Wynn told servers they did not look good in their uniforms. For all of your Las Vegas news, including the full story on Wynn sexual misconduct allegations, visit ReviewJournal.com.